Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at how you can jailbreak your Amazon Kindle. You will learn why jailbreaking is a good idea, how you can do it step by step. Then you will install the KOReader and you will see some magical things start happening. Not only will you get full freedom from Amazon, you will have the full benefits of a modern Kindle device at your fingertips. Let's dive in. Jailbreaking your Kindle allows you to do things like put in your own reader that has abilities to wirelessly sync data or customize your Kindle completely, read multiple formats that you were prevented from doing so until now, and in general, make the Kindle yours. There is a caveat. The jailbreaking process can brick your Kindle. Also, the jailbreaking process will void your warranty. So just know this fully before going in, and please continue at your own risk. So let's talk about how we're going to jailbreak the Kindle. You are going to need a computer, a USB cable where you can plug in your Kindle. We're going to be following the steps laid out in this website called kindlemodding.org. And while I'm not going to do it tutorial style, you will see me go through step by step, and I'll call out any problems I ran into. And once we jailbreak the Kindle, we can then put our own reader onto the Kindle and start seeing the amazing stuff out there that you didn't even know existed. So what does jailbreaking your Kindle mean? So jailbreaking your Kindle is basically removing the restrictions placed on your device that allows it to install other software, allow you to install, say, other readers that allow you to gain features and access much more functionality that are existing right now. Essentially, it means unlocking your Kindle to give you way more control over. When you jailbreak your Kindle, you can install third-party apps on it, access hidden features that Amazon does not make available, like wireless sync, the interface with your own background, fonts. You can create a photograph and kind of pixelize it and put that as your background. Customize the Kindle to your taste. Install custom software to make it faster and more efficient. And remove restrictions on content. Different format books. You can create PDFs. The KOReader deals really well with PDFs. You can read Markdown, do many more things that you couldn't do with your Kindle. So let's head over to the kindlemodding.org website. It is a step-by-step instruction on how you can jailbreak your Kindle. The very first thing is going to find your model here, enter your serial number. It will tell you which jailbreaking file you need. I know mine was 561, so you would click into here. Just follow these steps. This is not going to be tutorial style. I'm just going to quickly go over these steps, and you can do them when you have some time. But just as a note, you need a PC, you need a cable to connect your Kindle, and this step is kind of important. Your Kindle should only have 20 to 90 megabytes of free space to avoid automatic updates. So the place you go to do this is there's a quick utility. You can go to this website. Links, I will link this in the video notes. Kindle filler disk. Follow the instructions in here. You're basically going to copy this file onto your Kindle, execute it, follow instructions, and say you only want 20 megs left on your Kindle. And once you finish jailbreaking your Kindle, don't forget you need to remove this, otherwise your Kindle will be too full and you may not be able to upgrade the hotfix and do everything you need. There are 7 steps. Here's the guide. You will have to download this right here. It says windowbreak.tar.gz. Once you've installed the hotfix, you're actually going to see like a book-like icon on your Kindle. You have to press that, and at 7 of 7, you are done installing Koala and MRPI. At this point, you're going to see the success screen with a smiley face. Again, you need to wait like 5 minutes for this to come. I didn't, and I ended up doing the step more than once. So at this point, you can go into install the KOReader and follow the instructions again to a T. And at this point, after this, you should have the KOReader installed. You are greeted with this interface when you first come into the KOReader, and then you have your plus button here. This is where you can select your files, you create new folders, you can even set a home folder, open random documents, and you have your areas here. This is the top menu bar. This is the settings. This is your home. And then you can sync with Calibre, connect, search, wireless settings. You can go to you can increase or decrease your brightness. I think I've configured changing my orientation here. Here you can change your columns, your reading columns, your rotation, your text, and so much more, contrast. And I really have left everything as default because I'm still learning this application. But a quick demo of the KOReader, and you can wirelessly sync from Calibre. Okay, now we come to the fun part where we're going to use Calibre. You can get this for Linux, Mac, or Windows if you don't have it, and it's just click it to set it up. I've just thrown some books in here that I was playing with. They are free on the internet, so the quick start guide, why not? And Terry Pratchett. So now you go to your settings, go to Calibre, hit connect, and I have connected. I sent a book. You hit send to device actually, and then now you're actually sending the book. You're receiving the file, and there you see it. Understanding Power just came in. So I find this incredibly useful. Leave in the comments if you've used Calibre, if you used KOReader, if you've rooted your Kindle. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.